Hello and welcome. Please note Zeetron is not responsible for repair work done to your iPhone if done by yourself. So if you feel uncomfortable in any way in doing the work, you can always send it in or walk into our local repair shop. Today I will show you our latest item, the original pink color swap. Now this item is offered in two ways. You can either get the do-it-yourself kit, which comes with all the tools and the necessary equipment to put it together. Instructional videos can be found on our website. Or you can send it in for the professional service. Now the service also includes free overnight delivery via FedEx back to you. Now as you can see, this iPhone now is fully pink and the home button's pink. It sits flush with the silver tab, the silver panel. The back is pink. Comes with a flash diffuser. Okay, and if you were to order the do-it-yourself kit, this is what it would look like. Here would be the back. And the front. Now with the older iPhones, the LCD and the digitizer would be two separate pieces. With the iPhone 4, it's actually one piece. That is what makes this item really expensive, because they're actually fused together, so you can't buy them separately if, let's say, you only want the glass and you want to keep your old LCD. But there you have it. Also with this kit, you will get the flash diffuser obviously on the back and the speaker mesh for your color transformation. As you can see, it's sitting in here. Now remember, you can find all the parts as well as the professional service on our website at www.zeetron.com.